Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily switch between different ANC modes. First we have to scroll down to your control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. Now we have to go into our device info by clicking this info button over here. Now we have to insert our headphones into our ears. First one and second one. Now we can close our lid and now we can change to noise cancellation, adaptive, transparency, or completely switch it off. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.